Mbuya mano sana umwancho muri ebegeta seni kia Ndizi TV nigo yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabona margoba asine yariganira gukoretera amangana maya asenchira yoboikiranu una abereka gukorekana kurwa chingongo chionsi inyechense bunere talikeyemo mutinyo kane omwako iga bwechiribubere emerongevere naisato na nogasemera kwane na kwabere kogotwara sabato engia nabigo ase abegeno bedini ya Islamu ni otokobate Ramadhan Karim asinsemo chiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga asinsemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara wetra Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website na bagotonyara wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke eriataria ne Fridah Kerubo karansa oike elindengo manye asenchira yowikiranu Chinga kitoroche abarai kurwase county ya Nyamira na wege county ya Kisii nigo baba gwikirana ase eskuru ya baiseke ya Sironga asbaba gukwanera abaiseke beskuru eyo na bigo ko basemya chinchira bagwenderete ko tumeka chinga kibale eskuru na bigo ko boli omwaziri wechisemi ko basira ase sector yechisemi ime county yo na bigo nigo bumuichano monene ime county ya Kisii asense friends ime yakiamu kama maiga iyo musacha oyo mobwi miaka igatwa muberoye otoka ase para mbarambare guterororo ase omugambi BWENSE meyo abaga kwenekia egekorekyo naboigo ya mataya kobolia butukiboisaine gokorekana ase okonyora obwene naboigo nigo abarai agati abo mokonyi bo murai BWENSE rigadigashagwa naboigo omo prime cabinet Musalia Mudavadi no monogeli bunge nene Moses Wetangula baba goikerana ase county ya Kakamega ase omoyega bukwira nilimbya mono ase baba bagukwanera amange ayonda chukumanya senchira yobekiranu naboigo omobunge onyali bali chacheza hil chanda ni gobono amuchirie obomobwa azimio la umoja chinga kibagendete kwerera amagani yabo ase aberega kwenekinga handshake terigo chikokorekana ase okubaga oborai ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza manchumulire arina mange ningo yaliganete ni chukumanya senchira yobekiranu tobasaguska tobasakonyegera ngwira nanda sege kerebosio elindengo manye amange Ingo chaka kegima mwancho mulire niyongo chakera oroboti rugo ichania kurwa sensemeri ya friends ime ya kiamu kama ase umusacho yomo we miaka ya igatwa abakago toke kanaga siritie obugima buaye asenchira yobotutukanu ayo nigo abaga kwenekiwa n'umugambi bw'echinsemeyo ase oya matiaye yabakegwe sokya nabo igo kobolia obutukigo korekana asengencho yokonyora obwene mulikecho Brighton Makoli na roboti uruo
abamenyi koru azenzemo ya kigogi yego toka azenzemeri ya friends kemukama nigobale no moichano monene magiga yemambia rero kuboka asebanyora umusaja w'emyaka ya igatu gakwete aze ebara waokwana nigobono baichanire gekorwekyo anenekero bataramanya ningigerete umusaja yikonyora AMAKWERI ayo
uyora iregaiga no mwana wendugu yane uya bayiburi baye baruye tokale sana lakini bwana twatigere tuwe twabarendire twabaretira ubwarubu
usira gakoro ku Thomas uyu wendugu yane mongena tayo na tatu mwabo tayo
oyibate abuna konyoro motwere unando tabwate mangana nabantu
mwana wega maragwa bagachete kagora chingenia samenyete kageso nyumba asubwenge injego kajisa kianda no mugambi ukondangire ko nyumba ngao sinyo gakweta nabona kumisana nabona akiri bakana nyora no mugambi byekorororo tuwa bababiriga bakabono iga tutigereta basigari bakurwa lamasa nabubuka baraligeri barorenga omwana wega gaitire
tuwagerwe simisa kumiga ne brother ya no kuri chole Mombasa ronga kere simi akote biga minyoka hango marolenga onsinyo ya nyale kaniri gara ire para onali twa minyokire bocha twanyole onsinyo ya ire para ikiagera kiamole tororo ntokomanya
bono nigo banyarire bakuburia serikali
abantu baminto ba friends onsinyo no muntu okonyale kare mumanyete byamono nande momoroje isinyanya lekane tonsinya gakorerwa no yokorete kakitonyolekene yonsinya nabana bamwe abana bari banyolekene oyo tore nere no yo mwabo korukwemiri tabwati ingurukira kwane bona
ekero umuntu agosire onyogosete igobekwa amaboko y'abasigari igobekwa amaboko y'abasigari abanyene bamunyorero bararangangi bagakora oyo koretaya twatigira omonene
mukonyi bw'umugambi korwase sublocation ya Kigogi ni gata yabona
yare yigisa isano ne ibere nenusu yabona mabya nanyoro munyagitari yo more pushya kungagere sinyonde binga umuntu naro kwerete injira twanyorire nanyore report yo amate confirm kabisa nga nakwetu ngakira nde nakwetu nde bitimo manyitireta namate ule njena gesini tutenya arrest police station na report ya alafu namana kwimuka na baruba imuka bakica to confirm inga oyo sirete nini
boigo ni gate beruna obotuke ni gobono bwacha kigwe
bakarona ajicha nanyora no mwana kwa Thomas Onsinyo kwa Moro ka era ituke nsemo naroro no to kuteta anarangeria abanyene baisemoke abatebiri ni amatyakire abangina moke abatire bayana kiringo mwana ono mwabo waniga nibonganyete abasigari barura masha bajiche babogolyo mubere bayire sowenerete mochari for further investigation.
Guripoteri gataseni Ndizi TV iridhiriane Brighton Makoli.
Biamono sana umurikito Brighton Makoli asoroboti rekiranu kulende gusikamutu ase oroboti ronde niyotokende masemo wika ase county ya Nyamira asengo kumanyibuna nigo abarai baba gwikirana ase skuru ya baiseke ya Sironga iligosanga nabarabo gati yabo no museneta wa county ya Nyamira Okongo Mogeni naboigo umubunge o West Mugrango Steve Mogaka naboigo women rep we county ya Kisii Doris Aburi okwana kora chinseme choni go baba kubolia OMORAI BWENSE kuligerelia obwaga chibwegetige chindege ya Sironga na boigo ensemelia industrial park boigo nigo bamugania omwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogombaki hosira OMOROBERIO w'ekisemi ase county ya Nyamira robotura sinchira yobekirano no mulikito Job Maange.
Kisemi nakyo ekebunguo kerarete ugonchoreria asense icho ya Kenya.
From that visit we said, when I grow up, I would like to be like so and so. We sat down, we have drawn a roadmap, and we promise you that we are going to appear in the map this time around.
Bakora n'umubunge West Mugrango Steve Mogaka omoseneta we county ya Nyamira Okongo Omogeni n'umuteneneri w'abangina e county ya Kisii Donya Doris n'abarayibande mbayikirana aseskure kinyaroka ya Sironga. Omubunge o West Mugrango Steve Mogaka nairalibaga lya bene korwa eira unanachi gosira kisemi ase bunge yo.
Ensure that we will finance your dormitory. Why don't you come and join me, because the core business of a parliamentarian is support for education. Join me so that we convert our constituency schools to top schools in the Republic. so that we shall be promoting education tourism.
Abaraya bumba musabo mwaziri w'egisemi Ezekiel Machogu kuligerera ekisukuru kire imeorogongo rwa Gusii linego kinya ekerengo g'ekisemi.
I want to ask CS Machogu when he's coming to Nyamira next, let him set aside 50 million for the support of the infrastructure in this school.
I mean, Honorable Machogu, our CS Education, to come and start with us. Atumalizie ile mjengo ndio sisi pia kama wananyamira tuwe na kitu ya kumshukuru naye.
Nikiwa na mama county Jerusha who is in the education committee. Nikiwa na mbunge wa Kitutu Masaba Engoko who is in the education committee. The only thing they can do for us is to make sure that Sironga Girls is where it belongs.
Ensemo yaye omuteneneri bw'abangina ekaunti ya Kisii Doris Donya Toto narwa obosemi gosiasa abana kinyaruka kwerenda na gotayeswana ni namanganara chikobasereria amagimabo abosio.
Don't follow this path, it is wrong. Don't take alcohol. Don't kiss boys. Yes? Even though the men know beautiful ladies have not yet been born. So you'll be wasted. And you'll be damned. You'll start crying. Chunga, you are 5 years. 4 years, ukikuwa from 1 to from 4. And the 1 year uko nyumbani, you are waiting for your results.
You will be what you want if you work towards that goal. Wishing you all the best.
Abaraya bumba musabo OMORAI BWENSE Dr. William RUTO kurwali bagali abene asobwaga kibwege kikyendege ne industrial park ensemo ya Sironga ekero arachigokora amagenderero ensemo ya Gusii.
I want to speak straight to the ears of His Excellency the President that when we give a plan on how to make an industrial park at Sironga, an industrial park together with an airstrip, it is because we want our children, wale wa wadozi who need to come in by flying, waanguke hapa Sironga, watoto waingie shule, wazazi waende. Yes. Yeah.
Kuruase kaunti ya Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Biamano sana omurikecho Job Maangi ase orobotiro kurase kaunti ya Nyamira gutikana nayo gosikamutu ase orobotironde nigo kumanyibuna omubunge onyalibali chache Zahil Chanda wananigo atuguteirale okogania kwa azimio la umoja anemono ase akanene chinguru che igorobuna handshake tego chigokolekana ase oburai bwa Dr. William RUTO okwana korase nsemo ya KICC imiomochi o Nairobi nigo igo atuguterale okogania kwa azimio la umoja aso kuigora chisava asabaga kwene kiuna chinga ki petition ya betege kobekwa nigo ekigambere kenene kia betege kuigora esaveyo.
The presidency is a symbol of national unity. As you have seen before, the president has called members of parliament from across the divide and welcomed them from the opposition and all over to come and work with government. Not for his benefit, but for the benefit of the people of the Republic of Kenya. If Mr. Odinga wants to have a handshake, he can get to the president, talk to him, sit down with him and discuss anything else. They can have a handshake ya kusalimiana, lakini sio handshake ya nusu mkate, hiyo hatuko huko. That one we are not going to agree. On the same issue of Sava, I am just baffled and I don't understand. Maybe it is me. When the opposition presented their case in the Supreme Court, challenging President William Samoei Ruto's victory, the court made it very clear. The court asked, the Supreme Court asked the lawyers from the opposition to go and open the servers. What did they find there? That now they are not sure what they saw there. Now they are coming with the story of the server. Wacha kutuchezea bwana, nyi wacheni kutusumbua kitu. And I can see that the opposition are threatening some of their members, some of my colleagues from parliament, that they are going to, I don't know, do what. I can tell you, you cannot do nothing. Hamwezi fanya chochote. You can't do nothing. You cannot try we will defend them and protect them because they are our brothers. It doesn't matter where they came from, but they are our brothers. There's a court of law. You can go to court and they will also go to court. And the court will make a ruling and make a decision. So, hii threats muko nayo mkwende nayo huko.
Omwega bokwiranĩria mbia mũno nigo kolekana ase skuru yoboroso ya Silungai ase ebunge ya Malava kaunti ya Kakamega ase chikanisa emerongo ene korwa sensemo ya Western chabachigo ikirana na boigo abarai koro chinsemo chia Kenya baba gwikirana ase omuyegoyo gukwana omokonyi bomorai BWENSE Rigathi Gachagua nigo abagakwene kibuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza yabereke gukora amonchero anemono okoyeria ligori obwoyo na boigo kwene kibuna aba Kenya ngo enyorera bali obwoyo asinge ncho yo gosimeka endagera eisaine na boigo gokiania enchara amatuko abosio kolende nigo abaga kwene kibuna nigo serikali egendete kweroberia aso kwene kibuna ligori obosi ngo chirire kugwa ase amatuko alibosio.
Mambo ya bolea, mnajua tulipata bolea ikiwa shilingi 7,000. Ilikuwa imewekwa 7,000 na yule rais aliondoka wakiwa na ndugu yake yule mzee wa maandamano. Tumengangana, tumeteremusha mpaka 3,500 na nina furaha ya kwamba karibu kila sehemu imefika na inaendelea kukuja. Tunataka mchukue nafasi hiyo kutilia maanani sana mambo ya kilimo. Na hiyo ndio njia pekee ya kupunguza bei ya unga. Hii kuweka sufuria kwa kichwa na kupiga kelele na kuumiza watu cannot solve anything. Na ndio tunasema hao watu wakuwe pia wangwana. Walipokuwa pale walisukuma unga mpaka 250 na wakuwa wanapiga kelele, hawakuwa wanaandamana. Lakini saa hii imeendelea kuteremuka, inafika 170, na baada ya hii mavuno ambaye tunatarajia kwa hii bolea, bei ya rahisi na mvua ikitusaidia, itaendelea kuteremuka.
Omo Prime Cabinet Musalia Mudavadi oyuboigo obakagwikirana ase omuyegoyo nigo abagakomocha obomobwa Azimio la Umoja ase okorobikana naboigo bosiekerera aboncherera korwa senseri ya Tanzania naboigo Uganda boigo nigo abagakwene kibuna nigo obochori bwerete ase agania Raila Odinga gotiga gosali oboncherera ase chinse chia East Africa naboigo kwene kibuna abamenye BWENSE ya Tanzania na boigo Uganda talibarabuo babete bagwaka chikura.
We finished elections in August 2022. So when somebody blocks an international highway like Hispania, you then come and cause chaos in Kisumu, you block an international highway through Busia. You want to undermine Malaba. You want to undermine the economies of those countries through your selfish desires. What are you doing? You are no longer speaking about democracy. You are actually an economic saboteur. Kwani ukizuia magari kutoka Hispania ama kwenda kule, Watanzania ndio walipiga kura hapa? Ama ni Wakenya walipiga kura? Sasa wewe unasumbua wafanye biashara wa Tanzania, unawasumbua wana nini chako? Ukisumbua wafanye biashara wa Uganda, wewe unasumbua, did they vote here or did they vote in their country? Why are you undermining trade in the East African region through your selfish desires? Na isitoshe, kama biashara ya Busia inaenda chini kwa sababu wewe unafunga barabara za Kisumu, who is undermining the people of Busia? Azimio, you have no agenda.
Omonogeri w'ebunge nene Moses Wetangula bonanigo amuganirie oyo kabeire OMORAI BWENSE Uhuru Kenyatta wesokya naboigo gukwanera aliagendete kwenekigwa ase ense ya Kenya. Boigo nigo agania kotebia abakenya unanigo abeteka gutiga ense ya Kenya naboigo kwereria obugambi naboigo nigo agenderete ase nchira endonge.
And I want to urge retired President Uhuru. You are the only retired president we have in Kenya today. Mzee Kenyatta babako alilala. Mzee Moi alilala. Mzee Kibaki alilala. Sasa wewe Rais Uhuru mstaafu. You should be the #1 elder statesman in Kenya who can call the country to order when things are going wrong. Why are you maintaining a conspiracy of silence? Why are you maintaining a conspiracy of silence? Why? Because you are conflicted. And because you are conflicted, you are compromising terribly your own legacy. When the history of Kenya is written, you will be in an ignominious paragraph at the end of the story. As a man who, when he was required to do something, did nothing. That's not good for you, my brother. Stand up and be counted. You will be the best ex-president of Kenya if today you go to the TV and say, Wakenya wenzangu, mimi nilimaliza kazi yangu, I left a peaceful country, I want a peaceful country. Raila, go back home. Sisi hatutafuatana na ile kelele inapigwa, tutatafuta mwenye kelele. And we know mwenye kelele. That is what we look for. And Kenyans don't want to have trouble. Hata juzi walipovamia shamba yako, I was one of the first to condemn it. Because we want to respect property of everybody in Kenya, even people we don't agree with.
Chinga kicho boigo omugavana Fernandes Barasa nigo abagakweni kimna nigo obocholi bwerete na boigo nigo beroberiti boikirano asoko bwaterane serikali ya Kenya kwanza ase okweneki amagenderero kolende nigo abolia abamenye benseme yokoba abatoereru chinga kichonsi asa abagakomochia obomobwa azimio la umoja obogendete korobekana chinsemo chia Kenya na boigo kwirani ense ya Kenya magega.
Nachukua fursa hii kumkaribisha naibu wa rais ambaye ni Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua Kakamega. Kakamega sisi ni watu wa amani na tumesema kwa kauli moja ya kwamba mambo ya siasa ya vita hatutaki. Na nachukua fursa hii kwanza kulaani kile kitendo ambacho kimetendeka kule Ruisero ambapo Mheshimiwa anaitwa Maloba amedungwa kisu. We condemn any acts of violence in Kakamega County. Jambo la pili, mimi kama gavana nilisema wazi ya kwamba mambo ya siasa tumemaliza, sasa ni maendeleo. Under Article 189, governors what they are supposed to collaborate with national government. Hiyo ni katiba, sio mambo ya barasa. Na mimi nimesema wazi ya kwamba tutashirikiana na serikali kuu ili tulete maendeleo hapa Kakamega County. Na hii ni mara yangu ya 7 ama ya 8 kuja hapa Malava. Nashukuru sana my brother Malulu Injendi. Tumeamua kama viongozi wa Kakamega, barabara ni moja ya maendeleo.
Omokonyi bw'omugavana Ayub Zavula nigo abagakwene kibna Dr. William RUTO nere OMORAI BWENSE ase amugania OMORAI b'ekyamagia ODM Raila Odinga kuganya obocholi bw'omwaka w'ekiri 2022 kulende boigo nigo abagakumugania omokonyi bw'OMORAI BWENSE gutwara obolemu elinde kora abakenya.
Nitasema tu moja, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya ni mmoja. Na huyo rais ni William Samoei Ruto. Mimi sioni barabara nyingine yenye Raila atakuwa president. Hakuna barabara nyingine. Angoje 2027. Na mimi ile litaomba. We have a history as Kenya. Tumekuwa Hague. Tuchunge ulimi, hiyo barabara ya Hague. Naongea kama mtoto wa pastor. Tusirudi hiyo barabara. Na Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, you are a national leader. After winning an election, don't panic. Kalia hiyo kiti sawasawa na matako mbili na weka Kenya pamoja. Tumeelewana hapo?
Seneta Boni Halwale nigo aganirie serikali guonchereria buna chikampuni chichigotenenerwa n'abantu nyene ase amuganirie OMORAI BWENSE Dr. William RUTO weticha emeng'anyi asoko ene kibuna obonchereria bweskali ngokorekana bole asenchire ndonge kolende nigo abagako ene kibuna nigo abange basalirie obonchereria obo wetera koleta chiskali korwa chinse chiri chesiko gwetera ligolire inse kegima.
Ruto, we are stakeholders in your government. Wakati unagawa, we are satisfied ukipatia watu wa nje, but we are more satisfied ukipatia sisi kwa sababu we are with you. Kampuni za serikali zitakuwa privatized. Na ndani ya hizo kampuni, tuko na kampuni zetu za miwa, Nzoia Sugar Company and Mumia Sugar Company. I beg you, mimi kama kiongozi kutoka jamii yetu ya Waluya, babu zetu walipeana 12,500 acres Mumia Sugar Company, wakapeana 24,500 acres Nzoia Sugar Company. If you privatize, somebody will go away with ancestral land. Sisi hatuwezi unga mkono maneno ya kuprivatize Nzoia Sugar Company and Mumia Sugar Company. No. We cannot. And this is not out of disrespect for the president or the government. That is the little we have in the economy of the sugar industry. If the problem is to fix the sugar industry, Your Excellency, yes, do what you're doing, but the real problem is importation of cheap sugar. Funga mfereji wa kuleta cheap sugar, importers are the ones who cause problems for us.
Seneta wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandagor nigo abaga kwene kibuna nsi ya Kenya nebuate ekatiba eyo bwenerete kobwatigwa ase agania chikanisa korua amaegerio gochia ase Raila Odinga wetera ebuko kolende boigo nigo abaga komochia Raila Odinga ase okorobekana na boigo chisegi ase abolia serikali kuimukia egetambukiro kibwenerete.
Hii nchi iko na katiba. Na ni katiba tuliambiwa kama sio sasa ni sasa hivi. Na katiba hiyo ndio imeleta uchaguzi tumefanya mwezi wa 8. Na imeweka serikali kikamilifu. Pia mimi nataka kuomba makanisa yetu. Saa ile mnatuambia tuongee na Mheshimiwa Raila, kabla hajaongea na sisi mfunzeni Biblia, kwa sababu Biblia inasema hakuna mamlaka yoyote itatawala bila baraka ya Mungu kukubali. Kwa hivyo akubali utawala ambaye iko ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto kama rais na Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua kama naibu ya rais na wale viongozi wengine. Ya pili, mimi nasikia hapa tumesema Raila anaongoza maandamano. Mahali imefika Raila anaongoza post-election violence. Na wakati imefuka hiyo mpaka, serikali ichukue hatua ya kutosha kuzuia maafa ya Wakenya na uharibifu wa mali. Nimesikia akilalamika international community, sijui hawamsikizi, sijui huyu ambassador wa Amerika haelewi maneno ya uchaguzi. Mimi nataka kumwambia kwanza, ile server mnang'ang'ana ifunguliwe inatengenezewa Amerika. Ile internet mnang'ang'ania ilitoka Amerika. Na kama umesahau, wakili wako ndio alishuhudia server ikifunguliwa na ikaconfirm results ya uchaguzi kuwa rais wa 5 ni William Ruto, naibu ni Rigathi Gachagua, na tumeunda serikali itapeleka Kenya mbele.
Singaki abakenya bagendete kwerobilia ase Easter erebosio nigo omuwaziri w'obasombi Kipchumba Murkomen abolire abantereba kuba maiso anemono ase ogotanga emibasokano y'ekipara okwana nigo abagakwene kibunani ya sekta yaye erobireti boikiranu asokwene kibuna kigali nchikoligererigwa ase okwene kibuna emibasokano y'epara tirigo chikwene kigwa ase amatuko abosio.
Kumekuwa na shida kubwa sana ya maajali ya barabara, na ajali nyingi za barabara zinatokea kwa sababu ya ile tunasema recklessness ya madereva. Uliona jana tulipoteza wanafunzi wa Pwani University pamoja na wananchi wenye walikuwa barabara kwa sababu ile investigation ya mapema inaonyesha kwamba hiyo gari haikuwa na brakes ya kutosha, kumaanisha haikufanyiwa service vile inahitajika. Tunajua kwamba watu wengi sana wanagongwa barabarani na motorbikes kwa sababu wale wenye wanaendesha wako reckless. Kwa sababu tunaenda msimu wa Easter, ningependa kutangazia Wakenya wote kwamba tukue waangalifu, aswa sisi ambao tuko madereva tukue concerned about people's lives. We cannot just be reckless. And as I said last year, accidents killed 4,500 people in 1 year. Yet, in 3 years of COVID, 5,000 people died. If you combine the 3 years of accidents, it's over 10,000 people who have died kwa road accident. So that road accidents is a national calamity. We want to ask our drivers to be careful. Number 2, from the ministry perspective, sisi tumefanya namna hii. Ya kwanza, tumesema kwamba car inspection haitaendelea vile ilikuwa. Tuko na inspection centers tu karibu 5 kwa nchi mzima. We are going to privatize car inspection, to get private investors to weke car inspections across the country so that we make it mandatory for every car to be inspected across the nation. Tumemaliza regulations na watu wa bunge, tutafanya advertisements hivi makaribu na tutaona kwamba wale watakuja kufanya car inspection tutafanya.
Omorugi bomokonyi BWOMORAI BWENSE Pastor Dorcas Gashagwa nigo achakire omoroberio bene BWOGOSIIRA ABATAKANWA ase chinsemo chia Loitoktok okwana akora chinsemo ekyo nigo abagakorera chi project ekyo kirachikobasira ase okwegendereria.
Tuwe na widows sako ambaye wanaweza widows wote. Tunakuwa na chapter ile inaitwa Kajiado Widows Cooperative Saving Society ambako munaweza kuchukua hao wote wawe wakifanya contribution na sisi tunatafutana na pesa za grants wanawekewa, wanaweza kuboresha maisha yao na ya watoto wao. Tunataka kuona mahali ambapo tutafika hata hawa wajane, the 47 chapters in this country, kwa sababu mimi sasa ni patron wao. Nitawafuata mpaka tuhakikishe hata wako na housing cooperative ile inaweza nao waboreshwe hata mahali ambao wanakaa, wajengewe manyumba hata ya kukombolesha, wawe na pesa ambayo wanaweza kutumia. Lakini si kila siku kuja tunaongea mambo ya pesa kidogo 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 kidogo. Hata hawa kina mama wanaweza kufanya biashara kubwa. Kuna mashamba ndani ya county zile ambazo ziko kwa hii Kenya. Na nafikiri tukifikiria na zile pesa ambazo mko nazo, tukomboe mashamba, tuweke kina mama walime miti, wawe na carbon credit, ndio waweze kujimudu na kuboresha maisha kama watu wengine.
Chinga kiecho boigo nigo amochia bali bagendete koneria abasae amaliogo yogotindia asabaga kurwa egekuru egetindi kolende nigo abagakwene kibuna ochakire emerobeli yo kumurikira bali bagokora obosaliobo na boigo mbachikoimukirwa egetambukiro.
This time we are not mincing our words. We have said enough is enough. We cannot have our boys dying every day. We cannot have the people who are supposed to be helping these widows, the people who are supposed to be helping communities, dying every day because people are giving them poison. And we know who are making those poisons, and we are shielding them, and we make sure they thrive within our communities. Let our civil servants know, from the president to the deputy president and to all of us, we are watching you. And as for me, that is the work I am doing. So you can imagine what is going to happen. I will not make my roommate sleep. And of course, if he doesn't sleep, he will come for you.
Waigo egati abasubati abarai mbaba gwanchirana OMOROBERIO YOBOTUTUKANU ABATAKANWA kurwase chinsemecho okwana Omo Women Republic County ya Kajiado nabaga kwene kimnamba chigweti amachiko ayo arabeka gwanchira abasubati koira enibo yabaga kababo chinga kibabeire bagosira kulinde nigo baba kwerera ningige koirera abasubati abange koba abatakanwa.
Na tutahakikisha kwamba pia katika nafasi zetu bungeni tumepitisha miswada ambazo zitawasaidia katika inheritance, kuchukua mali yenu wakati ambapo waume zenu wameondoka, na tutahakikisha kwamba mumehesabika, mumeangaliwa vyema, na pia serikali imewahesabu katika vitengo vyote vya maendeleo ya hii yetu ya Kenya.
Mimi na Diana tulikaa na tukasema, mbona kikundi cha wajane wako wengi Kajiado County? Ikakuwa ni kwamba kwa sababu ya utamaduni wetu ya polygamy, ambayo sasa mume akija akiaga anaacha wajane wengi, na hao wamama hawana njia ya kujielekeza baada ya mume wao kuaga. Ndiposa tukakaa chini na Diana tukasema lazima tuelekeze akina mama hao waweze kuwa na vikundi na tuweze kuwasaidia. So mpaka hapa mimi namshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu, nashukuru kila mtu aliyejitokeza kuweza kusaidia wajane hawa.
Chingaki abegeno abedini yege Islamu bagenderete na Ramadan nigo omugavana we county ya Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi abagakorwa obokonyi windagera gukwana kura chinsemecho nibo abagakwene kibuna eyone nchireyemo yogosira bali batali kwenyara ase abolia abarekorwa sedini yege Islamu kubwatra n'abanyakenyoro ase okoligereria chifamiri kiri kitali kwenyara elinde konyora obokonyi.
And what we are launching today is a distribution of 125 metric tons of dates, 200 metric tons of rice, 200 metric tons of nutritional porridge, and 12 metric tons of cooking oil. We'll do things a bit differently. Much as we would use our special programs department, they will work in collaboration with the local religious leaders, the imams of mosques, to help identify the very needy that may be lacking food.
Mwanchi umurigereria korwa sorobotiro na ikire omweli obwa mangana maya asebirebiga kolende chikoraga chinsa isato ayona mangi no chikonyara senchira yobo ikirino buno koleterwa sole nere John Kebati kwenda sense mochiche mitandao sense ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetra Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sense ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwetra Ndizi TV News sense ya website na bagotonyara gwetra www.ndizitv.or.ke Magech kamera soko nekibna ebicha na boigo eliogiri gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere petronira mukeira elitaliana Fridah Kerubo to basako nyegera ngwire nande aseke keke Kerubo sio elinde to sangenere Dr. Kena Moses.